Long-term disability files are files that we do a lot of work with, and long-term disability really is twofold. Disability policies are long and short-term, and generally, whether it's your no-fault policy or whether it's a group policy that you have through your employment, the definition of short-term is pretty uniform. Short-term disability usually is for a fixed period immediately following the date of the event that gives rise to your disability. Short-term disability definition usually is what we call an own occupation test. That is, if you can't do the essential duties of your own occupation, you are entitled to all the benefits available on that short-term disability policy. At the end of whatever the short-term period is, which quite often, and in most cases is 104 weeks or 2 years, you then enter the long-term disability definition under the policy, and that definition is a changed definition. It goes from own occupation to any occupation, and that is, the test then becomes if you can perform the essential duties of any occupation or duties of any occupation, you can lose or be denied an entitlement to long-term benefits going forward. A cautionary note, and that is that where you are denied either short or long-term coverage, you have to be aware of shortened limitation periods, and sometimes the limitation periods on your group disability policies are as short as 1 year. Insurance companies are terrific at giving you a false sense of security by offering what they sometimes refer to as reviews or appeals under the policy. Those do not lengthen the limitation period. So if an insurance company is leading you to believe that they're reconsidering a disability claim and the meter or the clock is still running, you have to be mindful that you might have something less than a year in which to issue a court action, and if you don't take steps, you don't contact a lawyer, and that action is not commenced within the time limits set out in that contract, you can lose all rights and all remedies that you have under that policy.